Good morning. Today we are going to discuss part 3. In our last class, we have discussed about an electric circuit. And today we are going to discuss fused bulb. Sometimes an electric bulb does not glow even if it is connected to the cell. This may happen if the bulb has fused. An electric bulb may fuse due to many reasons. One reason for a bulb to fuse is a break in its filament. We have already studied about what is a filament. A break in the filament of an electric bulb means a break in the path of the current between the terminals of the electric cell. Therefore, a fused bulb does not light up as no current passes through its filament. Do you know what is a switch? A switch is a simple device that either breaks the circuit or completes it. When the switch is on, that means the circuit is complete, so the current can flow. If the switch is off position, that means circuit break, current does not flow and the bulb will not glow. We can make a simple and easier switch to use in our circuit. We have already studied that switch is a simple device that either breaks or completes the circuit. Different types of equipments are working by using these type of switches. So we can start. To make this switch, we need 2 drawing pins, safety pin, 2 wires and a thermocol. Insert a drawing pin into the ring at one end of the safety pin and fix it on the thermocol sheet. Make sure that the safety pin can be rotated freely. Now fix the other drawing pin on the thermocol sheet in a way that the free end of the safety pin can touch it. The safety pin fixed in this way would be your switch in this activity. Now make a circuit by connecting an electric cell and a bulb with the switch. Rotate the safety pin so that its free end touches the other drawing pin like this. What do you observe? Now we can see that the bulb is glowing. Now move the safety pin away. Does the bulb continue to glow? No, the bulb is not glowing here. The safety pin covered the gap between the drawing pins when you made it touch 2 of them. In this position, the switch is said to be on. Since the material of the safety pin allows the current to pass through it, the circuit was complete, hence the bulb glows. On the other hand, the bulb did not glow when the safety pin was not in touch with the other drawing pin. The circuit was not complete as there was a gap between the 2 drawing pins. In this position, the switch is said to be off. Now take a torch bulb and a piece of wire. Remove the plastic covering at the 2 ends of the wire. Wrap one end of a wire around the base of an electric bulb like this. Fix the other end of the wire to the negative terminal of an electric cell with a rubber band. Now bring the tip of the base of the bulb, that is its other terminal, in contact with the positive terminal of the cell. Does the bulb glow here? Yes. Now move the bulb away from the terminal of the electric cell. Does the bulb remain lighted? No. By this arrangement, we can make a homemade torch. So my dear students, try to do this experiment by using an electric cell, bulb, wires and a safety pin, and send me the video. Thank you.